Unlock the foundational secrets of digital design by mastering wireframing in Figma, the essential blueprint for any successful website or app. To begin, let's open a fresh canvas in Figma. Navigate to the top left corner and click on File, then select New Design File. Now we need a frame to represent our screen. On the left-hand toolbar, select the Frame tool. It looks like a square within a square from the preset options that appear on the right. Choose a common desktop frame, like the 1440 by 1024 option. Think of wireframing as sketching the skeleton of your design. Let's start with the main content areas. Grab the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a large rectangle at the top of your frame. This will be our hero section, where crucial introductory content usually lives. Below this, we'll define distinct content blocks. Use the rectangle tool again to draw several smaller rectangles, arranging them to represent different sections like featured items, text blocks, or image carousels. Content structure is key. Now, activate the text tool, which is the T icon. Click inside one of your rectangles and type placeholder text like a headline or a brief description. This helps visualize where text will appear and its hierarchy. Visual elements are just as important. Use the ellipse tool to draw circles for user avatars or icons. You can also use the rectangle tool for image placeholders, giving a clear indication of where images will be placed. Navigation and structural elements are easily depicted with lines. Select the line tool and draw horizontal lines to separate sections or vertical lines to create columns. These simple lines are powerful for conveying layout and flow. Notice we're using basic shapes and no colors or complex styling. This is the essence of wireframing, focusing purely on layout, content hierarchy, and user flow, allowing for quick iteration and clear communication of your design concept.